Hey Woodies, Woodpops here, how you doing? In this episode of Expressions in Wood, I'm going to be turning this huge, big cherry natural edge piece. It's a wild cherry. It came from Maryville, Tennessee. It's several years old. I've been saving it a long time. It's hard to hold up here. It's so heavy. And you can see this crack right here is going to be an interesting feature or challenge. Let me set it down here and show it to you. We've got this crack, which is not a crack. It's actually, I guess, where two limbs grew together, because this is the bark. Right in here, this is bark. So this bark comes all the way down. You can see back in there, it's not that far. So this is going to be interesting. Don't know how this is going to go. It's pretty heavy. I'm not exactly sure yet how this piece is going to turn out. Is it going to be a bowl? Is it going to be a vessel? Or is it going to be just a hollow form? I'm still working that out. But I want to get it mounted on the lathe, get the introduction done here, and then we'll go see what happens. So you want to stick around, see which way this thing turns out. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate it if you might do that now. And click on the little bell so you'll be notified when future videos come out. Okay? So, without further ado, let's jump right in here and let's wood turn this giant wild cherry natural edge thing. Okay? All right. Let's As you can see, that didn't work out too good. It came apart just where I thought it would come apart, right there. You can see that. As I thinned the wall down over here, that was not enough to hold it together. That doesn't leave much for this piece of cherry. I think I'm going to cut the walls off here. This will go in the burn pile right here. And maybe I can salvage this. I don't know. Probably not. So we're going to call this video done. And this project was not very successful. In any case, if you haven't subscribed already, click on my picture down there and ring the bell. And if you like the video, hit the like button, share it with your friends, because that's how I grow my channel. And I got a couple of videos all lined up for you right over there. So you might want to check them out. They're pretty good. Till the next time, this is Woodpops saying, see you in the next video.